Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel and this is Tech with Bumi. In today's video, I'll be giving us lectures on how to shorten your link. There's some affiliate links or there's some link that they're too long and you want to make it look professional. Okay, so watch this video to the end and you're going to see how you're going to shorten it under 1 minute. Okay, so without any further ado, let's move to my computer. Cheers. So to set up your account for shortening of link, you go to bit.ly.com, that's bitly.com. Okay, so it will tell you to sign up with your email address or you create an account. Okay, so when you create your account, you're going to see free account and you're going to see other prices for it. If you want the paid one, you can pay for it. As you can see, my account is free and it's telling me that you have all these free features. I can generate 50 links with my free account. Okay, and as you can see, I recently opened it. So if I want to upgrade, I can upgrade to per month, like $8 per month, $29 per month, and if I want the premium enterprise custom. Okay, but I think I'm good with the free ones. But basically, if you want the free ones, you can always upgrade. Okay, so let's go back. So this is my profile, and let's go to the dashboard. I want us to go to the dashboard. So as you can see, I already generated some link here, which is my GetResponse affiliate link, my Canva affiliate link, and my Creative Fabrica. I'm just going to do more video on Creative Fabrica. So now you can even customize your link in bio. Okay, you can shorten links for your campaign, organize your link in Bitly campaign, and compare performance across channel. Okay, and you can customize your link accordingly. I'm going to give us an example right now. So now let's go to dashboard. This is my dashboard. So I'm going to create another new link regarding my affiliate link. I'm going to choose and my link. I will be shortening my Telegram community link. Okay, so I would copy, then come here. As I create a new link, then you click on link and I put my URL here, paste. Okay, then I can put, so that I can understand, remember what I'm putting, Telegram community group. Okay, so now you don't have to add anything. If you want to shorten your domain name, and optional, you can create 50 more custom backup this month, and QR code is optional, link in bio is optional. So now let's just create the link, and voila, this is our link here. This is our link here. So you now copy it here. Let's open it in another page, another new page, and paste. Okay, and you press enter. So as you can see, this is a desktop. This is my Telegram group, and I named the Mommy Premium School. So that's basically about that. If you want to, let me create another link. Okay, basically you can shorten any link of your choice. So now this is the link I want to. I have this link. If you want to have a print on demand store, you can always use this affiliate link of mine to sign up for it. But this print best is just for US and Canada countries alone. Okay, so if you're in US and you're thinking of print on demand store, use this link. I want to customize it now, so I copy, because if anybody sees this type of link like this, they might be skeptical because it doesn't really look professional, right? And you want your job to look professional. So you come here and you create a new link, create new, then you paste your link here, and let me just put print best. I will understand when I see the link. Okay, and I will just create the link, and it created a new link for us. And this is it. If you want if you want to create the QR code or use it for create a link in bio, you can click on that. But no, I just wanted to be like this, so I can easily copy this. Let's see, and put it here, paste it on a new tab, enter, and basically this is the print on demand site. Okay, so another thing, you can shorten your link, any form of link, your affiliate link, your any link that you feel you sell something, or you don't have a website and you have this link you want to promote on social media, you can basically shorten it with this bit.ly.com. So I've come to the end of this video. Thank you. I hope you gained something, and please comment. Basically, this is how to shorten your link, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching to this time, and you can actually shorten any URL link of your choice. But if you want to sell affiliate link and you want it to look more presentable, so you don't know, so you want to, let me use it as trick, okay? Just try to shorten it using this link. I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can sign up for your free version, okay? So if you have any other ideas on how to shorten your link, we can interact in the comment section and let's learn from each other. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Bumi and I'm a digital marketing consultant. Please join the tech family. We talk about online businesses. If you want to grow your online presence, then this channel is yours. Bye for now, and see you in my next video. Cheers. Peace out.